Our top stories this week. Spring Spirit Week brings excitement to campus. Literacy Night set for March 25th. On Brainwave, learn about the different apps and tools you could use to help you stay organized, work smarter, and succeed in school. Plus, stay tuned for Weather Watch with Alberto Medina, scoreboard, and more updates and reminders in Shark Bites. All that and more right here on Wavemakers. Confidence, creativity, commitment, making waves the PBMA way. I'm Brandon Nagasar, and join us as we bring you closer to the actions and stories happening with our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Caleb Batista, and you're watching
Wavemakers. Students and staff recently celebrated Spring Spirit Week, which took place from March 9th to March 13th with a series of themed dress-up days that encouraged school spirit, creativity, and community involvement. Throughout the week, participants followed school guidelines for appropriate attire, while students who chose not to participate wore their regular school uniforms. The celebration began on Monday, March 9th with Decades Day. Students represented their favorite eras by dressing in styles from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and the 2000s. The campus was filled with retro fits, vintage accessories, and creative interpretations of fashion trends from past decades. On Tuesday, March 10th, the theme shifted to Celebrity Day. Students dressed up as their favorite singers, actors, and well-known public figures. Many participants recreated iconic looks, making the hallway feel like a star-studded event. The fun continued on Wednesday, March 11th, with Teacher and Student Swap Day. Students dressed like teachers or staff members, while teachers joined in the fun by dressing like students. The activity created plenty of laughter as participants playfully imitated one another's styles. On Thursday, March 12th, students enjoyed Dreaming of Spring Break, Pajama Day. Many came to school wearing comfortable pajamas, slippers, and cozy outfits as they looked forward to the upcoming spring break. The week concluded on Friday, March 13th, with Spring into Spring Day. Students and staff wore bright, pastel, neon, or floral spring colors to celebrate the changing season and the start of warmer days. Overall, Spring Spirit Week brought energy and excitement to the school community. The theme days allowed students and staff to express creativity, strengthen school spirit, and enjoy a fun break from the regular routine, while celebrating the arrival of spring.
Students, families, and staff are invited to attend Literacy Night on March 25th, a fun evening celebrating reading, creativity, and community.
The event will feature exciting activities stations such as a speech relay sack race, lyrical karaoke competition, pages and pastries, and the vocabulary pop-off. Guests can also enjoy free dinner, take part in the much-anticipated grand raffle, and experience more surprises throughout the night.
Everyone's encouraged to come out, join the activities, and celebrate Literacy Night together for an evening of fun, learning, and community spirit.
This week, we're highlighting digital tools that can help you work smarter, stay organized, and succeed in school. Let's learn more about these with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey Sharks, welcome back to another episode of Brainwave, where we break down the strategies that help you think smarter, read stronger, and learn better. I'm Kenzie, and this week we're going to be joined by Perry Moses for our Brainwave Tech of the Week.
Hey guys, this week we're going to be talking about different learning apps and tools. Students should know how to help them work smarter, stay organized, and succeed in school.
Technology is changing the way students learn, study, and stay organized. The right digital tools can help you manage assignments, improve writing, and even study smarter, not harder. Let's look at a few tools every student should know.
First, try using Notion. This all-in-one workspace helps students organize notes, track assignments, and create study planners. Instead of juggling multiple notebooks, you can keep everything in one digital place.
Next is Grammarly. This tool checks your grammar, spelling, and sentence structure while you write. It's especially helpful when writing essays, emails, or school projects.
Another powerful tool is Quizlet. Quizlet lets students create digital flashcards and practice quizzes. It's great for studying vocabulary, definitions, and key concepts before a test.
Finally, explore Canva. Canva makes it easy to design presentations, posters, and school projects with professional-looking graphics, even if you're not a designer. Technology should make learning easier, more creative, and more organized. By using the right tools, students can boost positivity and make studying more effective.
This has been Brainwave, reminding you that the right tech turns great ideas into great results. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep learning.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. On scoreboard, the boys basketball team at PBMA ended their season on Wednesday, losing 30-19 to Somerset Wellington Wolves. It was a hard-fought game, and the Sharks fought all the way until the end. It was a great season and something to be proud of. Thank you to our athletes for bringing pride to our school, and as always, let's go Sharks! Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride.
Up next is Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine. Sharks, here's Alberto Medina.
Now let's dive in and check out the latest Shark Bites with Alexis and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Alexis.
And I'm Aaliyah,
and here are some quick Shark updates. Calling all ocean explorers, PBMA is offering an incredible shark tag field trip in partnership with the University of Miami Shark Research and Conservation Program. Students will get the chance to experience hands-on shark tagging and marine conservation activities while learning directly from real researchers in the field. It's a rare opportunity to dive into marine science and discover how scientists protect our oceans. The trip is happening April 22nd from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's limited to only 18 students, open to grades 6 through 12. If you're interested, stop by room 222 and see Mr. Allen to pick up your permission form. Spots are first come, first served, so don't wait.
Attention middle school students in grades 6 through 8. An exciting marine adventure is coming your way with the Marine Lab Marine Resources Development Foundation. This 2-day, 1-night Marine Lab experience will take students into the world of marine science and activities like seagrass, mangrove ecology field trips, coral reef exploration, and hands-on marine biology labs. Students will even learn about invertebrate diversity and coral reef ecosystems while working with real marine science educators. The program costs $350 per student and includes instruction, field trips, snorkeling gear, dinner, and breakfast. Possible trip dates include April 27th through the 28th, May 11th through the 12th, and May 20th through the 22nd. Interested? See Mr. Allen in room 222 for more information.
Attention 8th grade students and families. The 8th grade class will be visiting the Jupiter Lighthouse and Museum on April 15th and 17th. The cost for the trip is $10 per student. All permission forms and payments must be submitted by March 31st to secure a spot. This will be a great opportunity for students to explore the lighthouse and learn more about the area's history. For more information or questions, please see Mr. Mejia in room 206.
Calling all PBMA students who love plants, teamwork, and positive energy. If you enjoy getting your hands in the soil, learning how to grow plants, and working together with friends, the Gardening Club is the perfect place for you. Come grow with us. Meeting time is at 3:45 p.m. For more details, please see Coach Lefebvre and Sophia Varallo. Let's plant, grow, and make our campus greener together.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keep everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all of Wavemaker's episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And now for our quote of the week. We can't control the winds, but we can adjust our sails.
That sums up this week's episode of Wavemakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us online at PBMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts. Delivering campus news with accuracy and integrity. This is Caleb Batista.
And I'm Brandon Nagasar. This has been
Wavemakers.
Thanks for tuning in, Sharks. Enjoy your well-deserved spring break, stay safe, and we'll see you when we get back. Have a great break.